First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to the basic level arrangement set number 9. So P, Q, R, S, T and M are 6 students of a school, one each studying from class 1 to class 6. So totally there are 6 persons and each of them were studying in a different classes from class number 1 to class number 6. And also each of them has a favorite color, that is red, black, blue, yellow, pink. So what is our target? Our target to find which person studying in which standard out of 6 standard, and from 1 to 6, right? Our target to find which standard he is studying and also his favorite color. So totally there are only 6 persons, right? So P, Q, R, S, T and W. Okay, so point number 1. Q, okay, so Q likes black and does not study in class 4 or class 5. So it's a direct statement, right? What they are saying is Q likes black color. Okay, so the person Q likes a black color and this person Q is not studying in standard 4 as well as he is not studying in standard 5. So 4th standard is not Q as well as 5th standard is not Q. Okay, the one who study in class 4 does not like green. So the person who is studying in class 4, he does not like green. There are many options, right? We can't able to fix directly. So what we can do, we can just take it a small note that the person who is studying in standard 4, he does not like the color green. P study in class 2. So the person P studying in standard 2, okay, it's a direct statement. M likes blue and does not study in class 4. M. Okay, so this is not W, this is M. Okay, so M is studying in standard. Which standard he is studying? He likes blue color and does not study in class 4. So what we can do is we can fix this, because M likes blue color, but this person M is not studying in standard 4. Okay, the one who likes yellow study in class 6. Okay, the person again, if R can be 6, S can be 6, many options we can take down as a clue that the person who is studying in 6th standard, he likes yellow color. So next point is S likes pink and he is studying in class number 1. So S likes pink and this person is studying in class number 1. R does not study in class 6. So the person R is not studying in class 6. That's it. So what we need to do is, I think by using the clue, let me try to flex here. We know M is not studying in standard 4. Similarly, Q is not studying in standard 4. So there are 2 options. Either I should fix 4 here or otherwise 4 here. 2 options we have. Let me go on 6th standard. We know that R is not studying in 6th standard, but the person who is studying in 6th standard, he likes yellow color, right? So I can't able to fix 6th standard here. If I fix 6, this should be yellow, not possible. And already we know that R does not studying in 6th standard. I can't able to fix 6th standard here because this should be yellow. Only one chance that I should fix 6th standard here and this should be yellow. Got it? And we know that M is not 4th standard, Q is not 4th standard, so remaining is R, so definitely R should be in 4th standard. And we know that Q is not studying in 5th standard, so definitely M should be in 5th standard. What is the remaining standard that we have is 3rd standard, so 3rd is remaining, we can fix 3. That's it. What are all the colors remaining? Red is remaining, and we also know that the person who is studying in 4th standard, he does not like green, so 4 is not green, so definitely 2 should be green, and the remaining one color is a red, so this should be red. That's it. So M will be 5 blue, yellow and 6, and 1 and pink. So red and 4th standard, 3rd standard and black, so green and 2nd standard. So finally this will be the answer for arrangement number 9.